The multi-slice interpolation tool allows for quick segmentation based on marked layers of an object. After the layers are interpolated, they can be combined to the mask or removed from it. Select a scanned view from the drop-down list. Please note, you may only draw on images that correspond to the view selected from the list. Select the method in which you will be using the tool and select its size. To begin, navigate to the image slice. Paint the area of interest. Navigate to another image slice to paint the area of interest and repeat the steps for as many slices as you wish. Please note, the slices do not need to be adjacent to the first slice. Click Interpolate to execute segmentation and preview the results. If necessary, correct the interpolation results on each slice using the different interpolation brush tools. Once you are satisfied with the interpolated layers, you can either combine or subtract the results from the selected mask. Click Set to combine or subtract the results from the mask. Once the interpolation results are displayed, if you wish to match interpolation results to image characteristics, select Paint Threshold from the drop-down list. Set the minimum and maximum threshold range and click Interpolation to adjust existing results to parts of the objects that comply with the set values. To readjust the results, undo the operation, set new threshold values, and click Interpolate again. Click Set to combine or subtract the results from the mask.